If you're working on home projects, garage projects, or just doing everyday fixes, a reliable impact driver makes everything faster and a lot less frustrating. This is the Dewalt 20 volt max XR 3-speed impact driver. And it's one of those tools that feels powerful the second you pick it up, without feeling bulky. What I like most is the control. You get 3 speed settings, so you can match the speed to the task instead of overdriving a screw or stripping something out. And it also has variable speed, so you can start slow, line everything up, and then ramp it up when you're ready. It's brushless and it delivers up to 1,825 inch-pounds of torque and up to 3,400 RPMs, which is great when you're driving larger screws or working with tougher materials. It's also lightweight and balanced in the hand, which matters if you're doing a longer project, like building, hanging, assembling, or working overhead. Another detail I appreciate is the built-in 3 LED work light. If you're in a dim corner, under a cabinet, or in the garage at night, it really helps to see what you're doing without trying to hold a flashlight at the same time. And if you're already using other Dewalt 20 volt tools, it's nice having battery compatibility across your set. Overall, it's a solid, dependable impact driver that's easy to control and strong enough for the jobs you actually run into at home. Consistency is my standard. As an Amazon influencer, I share products I genuinely use and recommend. I may earn a small commission. It never costs you more. Thank you so much for supporting my work.